InsideView Data Integrity is a customer data management solution that supports your business through the entire lead-to-revenue cycle. It cleans, monitors, and unifies your CRM data with the most relevant and reliable information. Dirty data residing in your CRM means relying on incomplete and stale data to make decisions. Companies lacking a unified view of their customers have no visibility into whether their data quality is improving or degrading over time. With data integrity, you can manage accounts, contacts, and leads exactly how you want, controlling which fields of data get updated, how often updates are pushed to your CRM, and even how the data flows. Data integrity arms you with visualizations and dashboards, giving you actionable insights to confidently make informed decisions. It empowers sales, marketing, operations, and finance to address business workflows like territory assignment, data hierarchies, and lead-to-account mapping. With the power of clean, accurate data, InsideView Data Integrity delivers a consistent, holistic view of your customers and prospects, helping you drive revenue and improve operational effectiveness at scale in real time.